And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 155. Let me show you how to render a lens flare. An important note, you can't render it on an empty layer, so it's going to give you a warning message. And when you render it, for example, here on this white background, so layer 0, you can render it, but you won't be able to see it. So always make sure that you render it directly on your photo. Let me open it again, and the filter, there it is. You can drag this around by left clicking, dragging here on the preview window. We've got 4 different lens types. 105mm is the brightest. And you can also set the brightness right here. For example, let me use 35mm, like 110%. I confirm, and if it's too much, you can simply double click right here, so it's a smart filter, and you can go down a little bit, reconfirm, and you can see how it gets softer. Once again, it's under filter, render, lens flare. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.